So I'm going to show you how to change out a video card.
Video card?
You want to identify your video card, which is right here. Unscrew it from the expansion slot. Making sure you don't lose the screw because you want to use that later. Want to unplug it from all power. Unplug that there. Unplug that one. And then you want to take something that you can push down on the locking with so you can get it unlatched. Pull that up. Be careful of sharp spots on the video card. Take your new video card. Make sure you get it facing the right direction. Place it right back in that same slot. And then firmly press straight down, making sure that that little white lever has locked in. Take your screw, screw it back in. Make sure it doesn't need any power connections like the other one did, and it does not have anywhere to plug in any power. It actually draws it straight out of the motherboard. Once you get all that, make sure your wires are all intact and out of the way. Make sure nothing's going to be hitting on it and getting in the way of things. In a case like mine, they always get in the way. And you just want to take your case, close it back up. And that's it.